Hi everyone, and here we go. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, egomasima, здравствуйте, привет, buna, dzień dobry, sziastok, hello, sincha, yobasia, salam alaikum, sasriyakal, and marhaban. Hello everybody of the world, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brunel. If you do know who I am, welcome back, thank you very much. So, it is my first unboxing of this beauty box. Voila, it says here My Ebony Box. Now before we get started, I actually discovered this box from another YouTuber who is called Missy London, and she does lots and lots of hairstyle ideas on natural hair, something that I am utterly useless at, and I mean completely useless at, and I need to learn, hence the new wig. What do you guys think? This is model, that's what I call it, or if, okay, model, all right, model, meadow, I think a bubble meadow, that's it, model, bubble meadow, and it is new. I literally put it on this morning. If you guys want to know anything about it, then let me know and I'll do a quick video. I absolutely love this wig. It is so easy. It's a lazy person's wig. Just all I did, cut the lace, put it on. I haven't even done any baby hairs or anything. I put a little bit of powder and parting, and that's it. So if you are interested there in more details, let me know and I'll do a video on it, and I shall be getting more colors. Little bit of a bum, never mind, let's just get into the box. Okay, right. My Ebony Box, as I said, discovered from another YouTuber. I'll try and put the link to her channel in the description box so you can go and have a look. I'm speaking too fast. Slow down, Brunel. Calm down. The box is staying here. Definitely haven't had a look inside. I have no idea what's in there. The box costs quite a bit. It's not the cheapest of the beauty boxes. It is £25 plus £3 either 50 or £3.95 delivery. Money is taken out on the 1st of the month, and then deliveries are then sent out between the 7th and the 10th. It can take up to 10 days, which is a bit slow. It literally arrived today. One of the easiest videos to do is an unboxing, so I decided to do that instead. There is another video coming in the next 2 or 3 days, which is fashion related. Keep an eye out for that. There'll be a giveaway in there as well. So for now, enough chatting. Let's get into this particular box here and see what's on the inside. All right. Ooh, look at that. My Ebony Box, African style. Look at that, the detail, fantastic. All right, so we unwrap it. Yellow paper, it's wrapped up in. Fantastic. Okay, so the first thing is inside the box you get the card, which is the February edition. It says on the card, I love the print. At the back of it, it says, beauty is when you can appreciate yourself. When you love yourself, that's when you're most beautiful. Oh, Zoe Kravitz, or Kravitz. Zoe Kravitz. There you go. Anyway, so inside the box, you've got here information. Dear Queen, talking to me, of course. February often comes with a lot of pressure and expectation of what your Valentine's Day should look like. Whether or not you are in a romantic relationship, we have been conditioned to look outside of ourselves for all of the really important things in life, particularly pure, unconditional love. Also, with you, where does it start? It says particularly pure unconditional love. And where does it start? With you, of course, with me, with all of us. So it says allow yourself to bask in the beautiful brilliance that is you, and to treat yourself to all the greatness that you long for and deserve. Love. My Ebony Box. So Lovely. It speaks to me all together. Okay, pomegranate sheer. So let's start off here. Let's try and find it. It's got a little bits in there. And okay, so what's in here? What's in here? Let's have a look through. See if I can get this. Dropping everything. This is one. Okay, Sierra's bead. Okay, it is, I like this actually. It gives you the value on each side as well. So the first one is Sierra's sustainable USDA certified organic beeswax is sourced from established bee farmers who meet stringent social, environmental and economical requirements. So this one is pomegranate sheer and argan lip balm. Nice. The value is £2.35. That's the first item. Lovely, like that. It's natural. Singing my praises. And the next one is this coconut oil formula body oil, 150 ml. Usual price is £7.35, which is this one here. Palmer's, of course. Who doesn't know? If you're dark skin, you haven't heard of Palmer's. If you're light skin or you're Caucasian or whatever, you must have heard of it. But if you're black, come on now, Palmer's. Anyway, so it says here with pure coconut oil and monoi. This oil replenishes skin's natural moisture, boosts radiance, and gives an overall healthy looking glow. Okay, you can buy it from Superdrug as well if you so wish. But yeah, this is one here, 150 ml. So the next one, let's have a look on the next page. Let's see what's in there. What's in there? Okay, vegan cranberry floss sachet. Okay, so let's have a look. What on earth? What on earth is that? Vegan. Okay, right. Let's have a look. What is this? Not that one. Let's have a look. Oh, I see something I like. I see something I like in there. Okay, right. Where is the vegan? Hold on a minute. Where is the vegan cranberry floss sachet? Okay, let's just try and find this. Is it in this bag here? I have no idea. So there's a pretty bag. Love the color. And let's see. So oh no, so it's definitely not this. Okay, we know what that is. So let's have a look. Okay, so that's the one, floss sachet. Okay, well clearly Brunel, come on, it gives it away. Floss sachet. So this is the one here, and the information here states that it doesn't have a price, by the way, for this one. And it says here that keep the teeth on fleek with some cranberry floss. Unsweetened cranberry essence contains flavonoids, and polyphenols, yes, whose antibacterial properties naturally help prevent gum disease for the ultimate healthy, fresh, and clean mouth on the go. And it also gives the website in there as well. And so you have that there. Great. And the next one is also, let's have a look. It is number 7, affirmation card. Okay, the universe has your back, Gabrielle Bernstein or Feinstein. Available as a 52 card deck that offers spiritual guidance to help you find strength when you are down, synchronicity, and support you if you are lost. Okay, so that would be that one. And oh yes, joy is the ultimate creator. So there you have it. And actually I think I might have jumped something else here in here. I'm thinking it must be something else. Okay, let's see. There is another item in here. I can see chocolate, so let's have a look at what else is in there. Right, so let's check through the next item here. We've got the Love February. So as part of the February edition, they've got some special gifts in here as part of that to help celebrate it. Just in case you don't have a date, celebrate it and look after yourself. Why not? And this is the one here. This is the turban head band, and that's worth £4. So you've got that design there. Nice. So that's that one. And also it has here my Africa wooden studs. Really? Where are they? Okay, well apparently they're meant to be wooden studs in here, but I can't for the life of me see them. And take it back now. There you go. Ooh, okay. All right then. Fine. There you have them. So the shape of Africa, of course. Lovely. So, and they are worth £5. Okay, cool. And then you've also got the cranberry and hibiscus love bomb, which is this one, love bomb dust, which is £3. And yes, enjoy a beautiful bath soak with this beautiful concocted bath bomb dust. Nice. There's a small amount in there. Let's see if I can actually smell the cranberry and hibiscus. Okay. Oh, I smell that. Oh, something you want to eat. Lovely, lovely. So nice, so nice. And also it has got one bit here, which is one I got excited about when I looked inside the box. This is the vegan chocolate, £1. Okay, consciously sourced, and it says here handmade chocolate that is certified as organic, vegetarian and vegan, and it is free from gluten, dairy and soya. Nice. And there's also a link as well as to where you can get these if you wanted to buy them directly as well, which I probably will. But since these are all the items in the box itself, and it does say here at the back here, total value is content worth over £25. I shall put the total value somewhere at the top and let you guys know, or in the description bar. But yeah, so not bad at all. Yep, so that's fine. So whilst we are at it, seeing as that, I think it would be very selfish of me to not test the chocolate and let you guys know if it is nice or not. Let's all try it together. You know, this is like a partnership where I'll test things out for you guys. And yeah, okay. I can smell the mintiness and the fresh, so there's a 2-in-1, a fresh breath once you have the chocolate, and it's nice and soft, and you break it. But let's just try a little. Melt into the mouth. It's just. Let me just go and finish this and come back to you guys. I'm back. I've tasted the chocolate, and more important than anything else, fresh minty breath. Ooh yeah. Okay, so that's it. That's all that's in the box. I'm not sure about this box because it is quite expensive. I can't work out the true value of it, so I shall see. Will I be getting this again? I think I'll try it again next month and see how I feel about it, and then make up my mind. I'm still in search of different boxes. I do like the idea of this. You guys know, ever since I did that unboxing of Zahbox, I fell in love with all the contents in there. They are natural, and that's my forte, and I love that idea. But unfortunately, Zahbox is not available in the UK. It's only available in the US, which is such a shame. So I've been in search of a beauty box or beauty boxes which will give me kind of that similar thing where I would love every product, especially when natural products are included in there. So I'm still on the lookout. So we shall try it again next month, and then I'll decide from there whether this is something that I want to unbox on a regular basis or not. We shall see. But it is not bad as first time round with this one, My Ebony Box. Seeing as how it treats me like a queen. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I do appreciate it, and it helps my channel grow, and it helps YouTube suggest this video to other people. Don't forget to share if you so wish, and I will speak to you all very, very soon. Thank you, and bye bye.